Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 7D Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then swipe all the way down to System and Update and select Reset and Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which out of this data, there's, I would say, some more important than others that are listed, like for instance, music, photos, or files. So if you have anything here that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, you also have the ability to make a backup copy on the next page, so select Reset Phone. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I'm gonna do that right now. And as you can see, we have the option to back it up right here. Now keep in mind this backup will be created strictly to the Huawei cloud, so if your new device isn't a Huawei device, you won't be able to restore this backup to your new device. So in this case, you might want to create it to something like your computer. Anyway, I'm going to select Reset. This will now force me to sign out of my Huawei ID. Which I guess it did it automatically, so I didn't need to type in anything. That's pretty nice. Chances are you might need to type it in, so I think it really depends on the network that you're connected to right now, and also when you set up your device. And now this process will take about a couple of minutes to finish up, maybe up to like 2 minutes, and once it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.